To show you how you can add pictures to your summarized part list, I opened my test project with some placed parts. As you can see, the summarized part list doesn't have any pictures from the article. So the next step is we go to Master Data, click on Form and say Copy. And for the summarized parts list, we need the F02_001. If you want to do stuff like this for other forms, then you can switch the filter in the right corner below. Join the community today, hit the subscribe button and never miss a new video again. But for now, we use this form. We click on Open and the next step is we need to give our copy a new name. I leave the first part the same as before, then add an underscore, and then I add my company short form, CDS. You can also add the short form from the company which you were making this form for. I click on Save and EPLAN automatically opens the form which we selected. And as you can see, EPLAN opens the form in the last selected project. So if you want to use user-defined project properties, which are only in a few projects, then you need to make sure you selected a project which have this user-defined project properties, or you won't be able to select them in this form editor. But in our case, we only want to add a picture. So at first I select this right section, click on V, then I tap on Y to adjust the height and then put the whole thing a little bit to the left. The next step is we need to delete these little boxes here and this little line. I copy the long line which goes from the top to the bottom and place it right here. I move the text field to the middle and we change the text from position to image, and to make sure everything works out properly, if we change the language, the German word is Bild. And then I click on OK. And then we do the major part. We click on this placeholder text and under properties we go to the three dots, switch to part and then we look for image. And there we select the image file. And then we switch to the format and there we need to make sure that the display is set to image file. And the next thing we want to do is activate the alignment box. Because if we don't activate it, the picture would have the size from the article database and this could destroy our format from the form. We click on Apply and as you can see, the gray zone turned white and so we can fill in the width and the height. In my case, I say 10 and 10. Then we go on Apply and OK. The next step is I set the grid to 2 mm and then arrange the image. Switch the grid back to 4 mm and now we are finished. We can close the form by clicking on the X. And the next step is we go to the project settings and then under my projects, in the section Reports, we have the output to pages. And here we can switch the summarized parts list. We click on the drop down, say Browse, and then we select the form we created a few seconds before. Click on Apply and OK, and then we switch to Tools. Make sure we selected our project. Go to Generate and then Generate Reports. And as you can see, everything worked out perfectly and we now have our little images in our summarized parts list. If your manufacturing works with eView, you don't need to make these pictures bigger. But if you work without printed sheets, then you may have to adjust the size of the images so that everyone can easily see it without a glass. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope you have fun by trying it out, and I'll see you next time.